앞으로 एकदम 꽁꽁하다. 비싱업이 너무 조금 거라.
다베 많이.
다우 다 khai được kata cha.
Đau được hay kata.
다 파고 있는.
헬멧 놓고 보라 다베 룸문이 보라 대자고 그냥
보라 파리 이렇게
이거 없어.
밴디스키 위에 더불어
차로고 그거 미연 지니
다시야 하자 한번
그거 따 그거 아이비디오 거
Flex dong kah? Buka kah?
그거 리포트 카이메야 로디메야
Hakun bandage dulu ya.
앙모리 아까 보나지 티도 안 땄어
테드
바로 힘막혀 오니 저다 오 살로페 보이는 거 왔다 테딘 저다
Bawa nya gitu.
그 살로 자기 로고 페이스
Tahu di.
보라고
Tahu di.
자기 바로 스포터 나고 심한데 봐 자가 나오고
무슨 나이비가 뭐
Tiga pin teman.
미니 가이사 때 커럽서 주셉 링
이 다른 게
Tiga.
버릇 무슨 없나 버릇
Kenapa ke jawabannya tadi?
yang nok kemana? Nok bagat kan kemana? Gak ada kok masih kasus cuma sini karena.
뭐 바자로 통만 이거 좀
Dong mari kemana? Juga kalau dol tongkang bah, kunungnya bah, like kena nih masuk tongkang kan.
어디 컬러 똥sok 많이 벌었게
Baru tu parano ku yang tu utek sihate tu kan.
오케이
Nggak kuno kau jalan ya, helmet dari buru pegarau. Kan kunungnya bah, para bah, ke yang tong rakha, ke baik saya hakil bodoh kayaknya drop sih ko. Helmet dari buru pakai apa sih punya sih, mana wabosong kiklah buka.
걸어보셔 동서 부러
뭐라 보내 그런 거 담다 그 배양 나시기 좀 라트벨네
이 보내랑 같이 시니
신호
বড় ভাই কি আগিও পার্সোনাল কোনো দুশ্মন হবে তো
한도수만 그래 바로 봐야
뭐 পারেনি বড়
좀 가가 바라니 마셨던 거그 저기 마셨던
봉니 뭐 이게는 기 에페다 그게
가자가
그게나 너 para 단서다
지금은 para 그 단자견 동어요 para 문 칼랐다 문 거저랑 지나가 파는 거다
tamno tui bukan nono kun rok sawi buman rok
kumpan koksi야
তাও ওনানো সব ফাইনাই পেখাস সব রক ফাইনাই পেখানো
그 미니스터 파이네 샤스
কে ডক্টর রবকে থাকা
doctor hospital 두긴 좀가
그냥 말아
니네 뭐게
아니 뭐 어른
어젠드라
어른
어전대로
뭐 পারানি না
파고나 para
পারবো না
So far I know, there was a program by Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura that some people joined BJP party on 18th of this month. Yes. And then right after the program, in different places, the miscreants. I don't want to mention they belong to which party. And sometimes it is good not to mention about the party. In different places, the miscreants, they started attacking our Tipra Motha supporters, and 4 of them have been injured. They were admitted in Kharengbar hospital. Yesterday, all of them have been given release from the hospital. I, along with our entire team, few MLAs and former minister, Mr. Mehbar Kumar Jamatia, the local MDC and youth leaders, and Mahila leaders are also here. All of us, when we went and visited all 4 injured people, and 2 of our party offices have been totally ransacked and gutted into fire. You must have seen. I am standing right now in front of our party office only. They tried to burn this party office also. So we want to tell actually Tipra Motha believes in peace and prosperity in this state. We have been telling them. Now always the allegation comes onto us, and then I want to question actually people bringing the allegation against us. Will they answer that why, who has done this to Tipra Motha's party office? Who are those people who attacked our party supporters all of the sudden when they were returning to their residence after maybe they have come back from the market or from the field? So this was the incident. Now point is, we have heard that some miscreants were also carrying small arms, and then few places they have bombarded also. Now I want to appeal to the Home Minister of the state. I am also a minister. Now you can question, you are also minister, why you are appealing? Because now I have come as a party man and then standing in front of our party office. I want to appeal, I want to request the Home Minister of the state. Police has to be very strong, and they should be taking appropriate step to seize all these illegal small arms and the handmade bombs, grenade. I think you all must be seeing that even in the heart of the city also sometimes the bombardment takes place actually. Bombing happens sometimes. So why this is happening? So if we want to keep peace and prosperity in this state, I think police has to take very strong action.
Sir,
The point is, Pinaki, I just want to tell that no one should be spared does not mean that it should happen with only one party. When we have handed over the list of miscreants, they have been identified by the local people. Why police is not arresting them? Why police is not arresting? I'm questioning. Not as a minister, as a party man. Now I'm questioning why Tipra Motha people only will be blamed for this. Even when the incident took place in my own constituency, I kept quiet. Why those miscreants from other party other than Tipra Motha, they have not been arrested? Why police are guarding them? When time comes, we'll bring everything out, I'm telling you. We are into alliance, we respect the alliance. Maharaja also believes in alliance. Maharaja also believes in peace and prosperity in this state. But blame should not come on to us. These handful people, 10, 12 people, all of a sudden they'll come and attack our party officers like this. How long we'll tolerate? I think time has come. Even as a party, we'll discuss. We'll talk to Maharaja. Actually, we have to take a stand. We cannot keep quiet just like this. So I have seen by myself today, 2 of our party officers, 4 of our injured people. A person's shop was bombarded, I think 2 days back. And then we visited him also, his shop also. So I think now the law and order is in the hand of Home Minister. That is our Chief Minister. He should be taking appropriate step. Thank you.
অনিরও একটু মধ্যেই কেন বিরোধটা হচ্ছে?
আমি একটা জিনিস বলছি, শরিক কার সাথে কে শরিক হয় এগুলো সময় নির্ধারণ। তো শরিকে আছে, কিন্তু তাই বলে এভরিথিং এইভাবে চলবে এটা তো হয় না। আমাদের উপর ব্লেমটা আসছে যে তিপ্রা মথার তারা অ্যাটাকটা করেছে। ইফ সিরিজ অফ ইনসিডেন্টস, আই এম টেলিং দি পুলিশ পার্সনেলস, ইফ ইউ সি সিরিজ অফ ইনসিডেন্টস, ঘটনা কোথা থেকে শুরু হয়েছে এটা যদি দেখা যায়, তিপ্রা মথা পার্টি হ্যাজ নট স্টার্টেড। আমাদের কর্মীরা আক্রান্ত, আমাদের উপর ব্লেম চলে আসছে। আমরা শুধু অনুরোধ করছি যারা মিসক্রিয়েন্ট, যারা আমাদের বিরুদ্ধে আক্রমণ করেছে তাদের বিরুদ্ধে পুলিশ নীরব কেন? পুলিশ হ্যাজ টু টেক অ্যাকশন।
কিন্তু
আই ডোন্ট নো দ্যাট মুখ্যমন্ত্রী উইল বি এবল টু টেল বেটার, কারণ আমি এলাম আমাদের পার্টির ডাকে এখানে চলে এলাম, কিন্তু স্যাটেলাইট থেকে আমি দেখিনি যে এটা কোন দলের মধ্যে হচ্ছে। আমরা বলছি মিসক্রিয়েন্টস, সমাজদ্রোহীদের দ্বারা এই কাজ হয়েছে এবং তাদের বিরুদ্ধে অ্যাকশন নিতে হবে। এবং
police somewhere inactive or their support, their
obviously I can see the police people only standing. আগে পুলিশের একটা অ্যাকশন ছিল যে কোনো একটা ঘটনা হলে পুলিশ ছুটে যেত, কিছু করত, বাট পুলিশের সামনেই কিন্তু এই সমস্ত ঘটনাগুলো হয়েছে বলে আমাদের পার্টির মেম্বাররা বলছে। তো আমার বক্তব্য হলো সরকারটা তো আমাদেরও, সরকারের ইমেজ যদি খারাপ হয় আমাদেরও তো খারাপ ইমেজ হয়। সো উই ওয়ান্ট টু সেভ দি গভর্নমেন্ট, উই ওয়ান্ট টু সাপোর্ট দি গভর্নমেন্ট স্ট্রংলি, এবং সরকারের পক্ষে যদি বলতে হয় আমাদেরকে আরও কিছু শক্তপোক্তভাবে স্টেপ নিতে হবে।
অনিশবাবু, একটা যে আপনারা মার খাচ্ছেন তবু সরকারে আছেন, মানে এটা নিয়ে কি বলবেন?
কি আমি
মানে আক্রান্ত হচ্ছেন, হামলা হচ্ছে, তারপরে সরকারে আছেন, অ্যালায়েন্সে আছেন?
না, এমন কিছু না, আক্রান্ত হওয়ার কোনো ঘটনা নেই। মিসক্রিয়েন্টরাই করছে, কেন এটা হবে না? তো হোম মিনিস্টার আমাদের কাছে দিয়ে দিক না, আমরা দেখাবো যে উইথিন 3 months মানে আইনের শাসন কিভাবে হয় এটা দেখাবো আমরা। তিপ্রা মথা ইজ প্রস্তুত, আমি বলছি না আমাকে দাও। তিপ্রা মথার কাছে যদি হোম মিনিস্ট্রিটা দেওয়া হয়, এই সমস্ত ঘটনা উইথিন 3 months উইল টেক এ কমফোর্টেবল।
is it not the
That I won't say. Actually, we are only telling, we are only appealing. He is the boss. We have to tell.
what is your appeal? You
My appeal is just let us take far more stronger action.
thank you sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ।